So you think you're moving to the Austin area? Well, in this video, we're gonna take a tour of a new construction home built by Terrata Homes in Trace, a community in southeast San Marcos. We're gonna get after it right now. Hey, Daniel here. If you're thinking of purchasing property in the greater Austin area, be sure to subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you're the first to learn when I upload a new video. You know, I was a teacher for 10 years before jumping into real estate, but my values never changed jumping from that career. Honesty, effective communication, and always having the people I help's interests ahead of my own is still who I am. So it doesn't matter if you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days, you can give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, or schedule a Zoom call. Be happy to help you make that smooth move to the Austin area. So where we are right now, looking at the street view, we are in a cul-de-sac, kind of a long street to a cul-de-sac. So as you can see, the main street is right there, and so we're kind of an offshoot from there. So very little traffic coming down the street, so primo location. This is a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 2,850 square foot home listed at $443,900. So let's go check it out. So we see we have this split 2-car garage here in the front. Beautiful exterior. I love that natural wood against the black. Very large front patio space. So off to the right here, we have our office space with French doors. Every room has a fan installed, which is fantastic. You don't always see that, especially with these budget-friendly homes. And then we come out to this dining area, light fixture keeping that black motif going. And then living room area, really nice and wide and open. I wish the ceilings were a little bit taller, but you can't have everything. Let's go outside. So I love these stackable doors where I can push it all the way open. And so now we just have the seamless transition from living area out to nice summer evening. Put a grill out here. Add some seating out here too, just kind of opens up, and then massive backyard space. Super quiet back here. You're not perched too high to where you're looking into your neighbor's yard. Good amount of privacy. Close this so I don't have critters coming in while I'm doing the rest of the video. Looks like we have luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout also. Yeah, a ton of open space here. And then as you can see, we have our half bathroom right here. Pretty good size half bath with the pedestal, sink. Kept the black fixtures throughout. And then we have our kitchen. Kitchen's a little odd. It's kind of, you have this narrow walkway. You don't see that too often with newer homes. Typically they do more of an open floor plan. So this is probably my least favorite feature of this layout. Also, they need to push this. Either push the fridge back or get a shallower fridge, but that's cutting in quite a bit into my walkway here. But apart from just the layout being a little cramped, tons of space for cabinets. I mean, so much storage just on this one wall alone, and then you have more on either side of the fridge, right? And then you have more by the sink. So there is quite a lot of space. I think the layout is just a little odd. And then there's gonna be a lot of these, a lot of storage areas. I'm not a fan of this, which, I mean, you can just pull it out, right? Pull it out, put a different one in. But you're gonna see that throughout the home also, just the wire shelving. Utility room downstairs. Pretty good size utility room. And then coat closet, again with the wire shelving. Then we have our 2-car garage. Nothing extra about this space. Looks like we have a tankless water heater. And you do have A sprinkler system included. Before we head upstairs, this is actually the master bedroom. So as you can see, no carpet down here, keeps with the LVP flooring. Kind of has that raised ceiling, vaulted ceiling, looks great. I really wish they didn't keep this shelving in the master closet. Kind of a small master closet. I was a little surprised to see this. Especially when we go upstairs, some of the closets for the guest rooms are surprisingly nice. But we have this double vanity, walk-in shower with the 2 shelves in the corner. Again, another storage space, linen closet, and toilet. Pretty basic. The tile they used didn't go all the way to the ceiling. That's an upgrade you sometimes see with builders, but pretty good amount of space. All right, let's head out upstairs. So now we start having carpet. We have some natural light coming through here, which is great. So we have this landing area right off the bat with a fan. I've never seen so many fans in a house in a new construction home. Usually they don't install them, make you install it after the fact. They put like 1 in the living room, 1 in the main bedroom, that's it. So first guest bedroom with a fan and an okay closet for a guest bedroom with the shelving that I dislike. Yeah, decent size. So that's guest bedroom number 1. Dual vanity sink, which you don't always see for the upstairs bathroom, so that's great. And then we have the separated bathtub from the sinks, which is also nice. Here we have more storage. I feel like they know a guy who owns wire shelving. They're like, please get this out of our warehouse. There's so much of it in this house. I love the amount of storage space, but I wish it was just regular shelves. Second bedroom, roughly the same size as the first. Again, decent amount of space for a guest bedroom closet with the iconic shelving. Third guest bedroom, again with a fan. Decent amount of space. Really nice closet with the natural light coming in, kind of looking out to the front of the home. And then fourth guest bedroom. So this one's the biggest by far. Again, some natural light looking out to the front of the home. Keeping the black handles, hinges, fixtures, all consistent throughout. Really nice sized bathroom for this 1 bedroom. So kind of depends on your setup, who would get this bedroom in your family, right? If you have an older couple living with you who can't handle the stairs, maybe they take downstairs and then you take upstairs and take that one because that has a decent attached ensuite bathroom. Or if you just have a big family and you just, oldest kids, you get that big bedroom. But I'm really impressed with the amount of space that's in this. Usually when you see a 5-bedroom home that's under 3,000 square feet, the rooms are kind of small. And with this, there's so much space upstairs. I was really surprised to see this landing too. It wasn't just the 5 bedrooms, but landing, you have 2 full bathrooms upstairs with 1 connected to one of the bedrooms. So I really like this layout. But I'd love to know what you guys are looking for in a house. What's your favorite part of this house and what's your least favorite part of the house? And another note, something I always want to bring up to new home buyers, especially someone who's, you're watching, it's just a guy on YouTube, right? You're just watching a realtor talk. When I help home buyers, I always consistently get my commission paid by the seller. I've never had a buyer client pay for my services. So it's really important to know that as a buyer. And if you're a homeowner looking to list your home, I put a lot of my own money up front to make sure our home looks better than the rest when it comes to staging, professional photography, aerial drone photos. I do videos kind of like this, a little bit more professional, that we can share with listings too. So it's important to know this, because sometimes you'll see, a realtor talking online and think, well, I can't afford the professional help. I promise you, if you hire me as your realtor, you are going to save money versus not using a realtor for your next home purchase or sale. So I did want to make that little comment there. But remember, it doesn't matter if you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days. Give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, or schedule a Zoom call. All of that can be found in the description below. And until next time, I hope to see you around town.